trial of a mid-Missouri woman accused in a deadly wrong-way crash on Interstate 70. Kelly Smith is accused in the crash, but much of the court testimony since yesterday has centered around whether Smith had been given the date rape drug. ABC 17's Dana Clemens has been following this case for us this week, and she joins us live on the phone from Montgomery County. And Dana, the prosecution has been hoping to turn the tide of the trial with the discussion about Smith being drugged.
Right, Daniel. The prosecution is trying to discredit that Smith was given the date rape drug and is instead saying she was drunk. The defense, on the other hand, is continuing to call for witness testimony. Right now, we're hearing from a consultant and a trainer for law enforcement who testified he believes the Highway Patrol did not do a thorough investigation to determine if Kelly Smith was raped or not. He also said her blood wasn't properly handled or gathered in a timely fashion like it should have been. He told the jurors he believes her driving doesn't necessarily mean she was intoxicated. But then during cross-examination by the state, he admitted it could be consistent with the driver under the influence. Smith's rehab neuropsychologist also testified, saying driving 50 miles out of the way is not consistent with being drunk, and her memory loss could be associated with abuse. But also said when looking at the whole picture of her driving record that night that it could be a sign of impairment. Her driving wasn't the only thing that both state and defense spent a lot of time on today. They also questioned and re-questioned witnesses about the bruises on Smith's body that made them suspect sexual assault. Two nurses agreed the finger-like bruises on her inner thighs were suspicious and not consistent with injuries from a car crash. But when cross-examined, both nurses said that that was their opinion, and that a safe exam or rape kit is not necessarily conclusive. A doctor also took the stand, saying bruising on her wrists appeared to be defensive wounds, but they may have been able to be explained by something else in the crash. I'll head back into the courtroom where testimony is continuing and bring you the latest update at 6. Reporting live in Montgomery City, Dana Clemens, ABC 17 News.
All right, thanks, Dana, and we'll have more on that trial on ABC 17 News tonight at 9 on Fox 22 and back here on ABC 17 News at 10 on KMIC. Well, the owners of the